Amazfit has officially launched the new Balance 3, and while it looks similar to the Balance 2 at first glance, there are some important upgrades under the hood. The new model brings a brighter display, stronger GPS performance, improved battery efficiency during workouts, upgraded AI-powered training tools, and a new hybrid training. So, is the Balance 3 really worth the extra money? Or does the Balance 2 still offer better value? In this video, we're comparing the Amazfit Balance 3 and Balance 2 side by side in design, display, battery life, smart features, health and fitness tracking, pricing, and overall value to help you choose the right smartwatch. Welcome to SmartWatch Radar. Subscribe for more latest smartwatch updates. Design, build, and display. At first glance, both watches look very. The Balance 3 uses a Grade 5 titanium frame and case option with sapphire glass protection, 10 ATM water resistance. It feels slightly more rugged and premium, especially for outdoor. The Balance 2 already offered a premium design with sapphire glass, AMOLED display, and durable construction, so visually the differences are not huge. Display size and resolution remain the same on both watches at 1.5 inches. The biggest display upgrade comes in brightness. Balance 3 increases peak brightness up to 3000 nits, while Balance 2 reaches 2000 nits. So while both displays are excellent, the Balance 3 clearly wins for visibility. Battery life. The Balance 3 delivers up to 21 days of typical use, up to 10 days of heavy usage, around 41 hours in high-accuracy GPS mode, and up to 84 hours in power-saving GPS mode. Interestingly, the Balance 2 also offers up to 21 days of typical use and around 10 days of heavy use. However, GPS endurance is where the new model improves. Balance 2 provides around 33 hours of high-accuracy GPS tracking and up to 67 hours in power-saving GPS mode. Smart features and connectivity. Both watches support Bluetooth calling, notifications, offline maps, voice control, music storage, Zepp Pay support in supported regions, and a rich smartwatch experience. The Balance 3 introduces Amazfit's new hybrid training philosophy and upgraded AI coaching features that analyze training load, recovery, stress levels, and daily readiness more intelligently. The Balance 2 already includes excellent smart features, but the Balance 3 feels more focused on helping users train smarter rather than simply collecting data. For everyday smartwatch features, both are very similar. Health and fitness features. This is where Amazfit focused most of its upgrades. The Balance 3 introduces hybrid charge energy intelligence, which continuously analyzes training load, recovery status, stress, sleep, and daily activity to provide more actionable recommendations. The new watch also improves training guidance by helping users balance endurance, strength training, and recovery more effectively. For runners and athletes, this creates a much more complete coaching experience. The Balance 2 already includes heart rate tracking, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, recovery analysis, readiness metrics, body composition measurement, and a huge selection of sports modes. Even today, it remains one of the most feature-packed fitness watches in its price range. However, the Balance 3 delivers deeper training insights, smarter recovery guidance, and a more athlete-focused experience overall. If fitness is your priority, the Balance 3 is the more advanced watch. Price comparison. The Amazfit Balance 3 starts at around $350. The Amazfit Balance 2 launched at around $299, but it is now frequently available at discounted prices depending on your region. Final verdict. If you're buying a new Amazfit smartwatch today and want the most advanced balance experience, the Balance 3 is the better watch. You get a brighter 3000 nit display, longer GPS battery life, smarter training intelligence, improved recovery tracking, and a more refined software experience. However, if you already own the Balance 2, the upgrade is not massive. The design is very similar, battery life is nearly identical, and most core health and smartwatch features remain available on both models. For new buyers, Balance 3 is the better overall smartwatch. For value-focused users, Balance 2 remains one of the best deals in the Amazfit lineup. So that's the Amazfit Balance 3 versus Amazfit Balance 2. Let me know which one you would choose and subscribe to SmartWatch Radar for more smartwatch comparisons and buying guides.